Hi there. I hope you can hear me okay. I don't have my headphones on. I'm going to try to make this short but sweet. It is Monday, the 17th of September, and I didn't do a video before today. I was going to do one this weekend, but I forgot to bring my phone with me when I went to go stay with my mother. I actually forgot my phone. Didn't have it at all yesterday up until about, I don't know, around 3 o'clock this afternoon. The song Reunited has been playing in my head nonstop ever since I got this thing. It's been really rough not having this. Sorry for everyone who's having to sit like this, but I'm doing this because it's hard for me to walk and hold the camera this way at the same time. So sorry again. I'm actually turning this off for now, but I just wanted to say hi and apologize again for not videoing anything this weekend. But like I said, I didn't have the phone. And God, it was awful not having this thing. Anyway, I will talk another time. Take care. Peace out and ciao.